If you are looking to delete your order history on Amazon, unfortunately, you cannot permanently delete the orders from your Amazon order history because Amazon doesn't allow you to do this. You can archive it if it's available, or as a workaround, what I would suggest is simply close your account. So when you close your account, all your data will get deleted. So you can close it and then just open up a new account if you want to use Amazon. So just use a new account. So that will be the best idea and workaround you can do at this point. So if you want to do that, just go to your account option here, log into Amazon, go to your account on your top here, top right, and then scroll all the way down, and you will get to this section here, manage your data. From there, there's a link here, close your Amazon account. Click on it, and then here what we're going to do is log into your Amazon account. So, and once you get to this page here, so this is your Amazon account closure page. You can read this for the terms and conditions. So scroll all the way down here. When you scroll all the way down here, you can select a reason why you want to close it. It's optional, you can do that, but make sure to tick this box here. Yes, you want to permanently close your account and delete your data. Click on it and click on close my account, and then confirm it, and that's it. Your account will be closed, and this will delete all your data, and you can just reopen a new account with Amazon if you want to. And this is the workaround we have at this point.